In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and send a newsletter using ConvertKit. If you're new to email marketing or just looking to streamline your process, this guide will help you get your newsletter out efficiently and effectively. To get started, open your web browser and head over to ConvertKit's website. You can easily find it at convertkit.com. Once you're there, log in with your account details. If you haven't created an account yet, make sure you do that first, as it's essential to move forward. But assuming you're all set with your account, let's move on to the next part of the process. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here, on the left-hand menu, you'll notice several options to explore. Today, however, our focus is on creating a newsletter, so go ahead and click on the Broadcasts section. This section acts as the hub for all your newsletters and broadcasts. It's the perfect place for us to start creating a new one from scratch. With the broadcast page open, direct your attention to the upper part of the screen. You'll notice a button that says Plus New Broadcast. Click on this button to initiate the process of crafting your brand new newsletter. Now, before you dive into writing your content, it's important to first choose your audience. You have the option to send this newsletter to all your subscribers, or you can select a specific segment or tag if you want to focus on a particular part of your audience. This feature is especially useful if you maintain multiple lists or aim to target your message more precisely. Once you've made your audience selection, go ahead and click Next Step. Now it's time to move on to the heart of your newsletter, writing the content. Start with your subject line, which is like the headline of a story. It needs to grab your reader's attention right from the start. Craft a compelling subject line that will entice your audience to open your email. Once you've nailed that, dive into writing your email content in the editor box. This is your opportunity to include all the engaging details and important information your subscribers are looking for. Feel free to enhance your message by adding images, links, or buttons, elements that make the email interactive and visually appealing. Before you send out your newsletter, taking a moment to preview it is always a sound practice. Click the preview option to see how your newsletter will appear on various devices. Additionally, it's highly recommended, though optional, to send a test email to yourself. This step helps catch any typos, formatting issues, or broken links before the email makes its way to your subscribers. Once everything checks out and you're satisfied with the final product, click on Continue to Send. At this point, you have the choice to send your newsletter immediately or schedule it for later, whichever aligns best with your strategy. And there you have it. Your newsletter is ready to go. You've successfully crafted a newsletter in ConvertKit, ensuring that your subscribers will soon receive your carefully prepared email. Thanks for following along, and happy emailing.